I'm not coming to Florida again.
Off the toilet.
I'll get back to the hotel room and get the bloody heater on. Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is Thursday for us. Tomorrow we are going on our Disney cruise. We are heading up to first ever Disney cruise, heading up to Port Canaveral and getting on the Disney Dream for 3 nights. But today is a, well, we're hoping it's a warmer day. It's supposed to be 11 degrees warmer than yesterday. The cold front has hopefully gone. So, I mean, there is a lazy river outside.
No, I'd rather go to Blizzard Beach and use the Disney passes.
Blizzard Beach is back open again. It's been closed for refurbishment. Typhoon Lagoon is now closed for refurbishment. So we've got lots to do today. We're going to go to, hopefully, a water park if it's warm enough. We've got some hotel review to film in another video. We've got to go to a villa to drop some stuff off. We've got to go to Epcot to meet somebody, hopefully. And we've got to buy our wine as well to take on the cruise. So on a Disney cruise you can take 2 bottles of wine each.
No spirits.
No.
You're allowed to take beers and wines, but you cannot take
I'm not
spirits.
sure we'll need 4 bottles of wine for 3 nights. So I don't drink that much anyway.
At them prices, we will.
So we're going to go for breakfast now and then get on with our day. Good news, it's definitely warmer this morning. Definitely. A little bit windy but much warmer. So hopefully Blizzard Beach will be open today and we'll go there.
I'm just checking.
So we're just heading around the side of the Red Lion Hotel. There is a Perkins just over there if you don't get your breakfast included at the Red Lion, which we have. There's a 7-Eleven and a garage petrol station over there, so that's nice and convenient. But we're just heading around here to gear for breakfast.
We only walked out this way to test the heat.
Yeah.
Yes, Blizzard Beach is open 10 till 5.
Yay! Yay. Hey, come for there. We had a nice breakfast.
Pancake poppers are lovely.
Pancake poppers.
They're nice when they're soft.
The scones, yeah.
I'm not sure about that gravy. I can't get used
Oh,
to
I like that gravy, the white gravy. It's not really gravy though, is it? No, we don't call that gravy. Is it? Yeah, but it's like a creamy sauce, I think. So I'm just going to have a little bit of egg and bacon. And then...
Where's your fruit?
Yeah, I'd already had the fruit. Right, we're out, and it's nice and warm. It's 22 degrees. The sun isn't out though, unfortunately.
Been out, gone in.
Yeah, it's very cloudy today, but it's warm. That's the main thing. We're not freezing like we were yesterday. So the sun's not out, but we're still going to go to Blizzard Beach. It's open again today.
Well, technically it's the first day of the season that it's been open.
Yeah.
Because the last 2 days has been that cold, they've actually never opened it.
Yeah. So I'm taking my book. Nick's taking the cruise book. Just read up on the cruise again, which we're going on tomorrow. And we're just going to chill. And then we're going to head to Epcot later. We're going to go to Magic Kingdom to get our magic bands. Then we're going to head to Epcot later, maybe for a drink and a snack, and meet some friends hopefully. And there we go. Let's see what we get up to for the rest of the day. Exciting?
Oh yeah.
Yay! We're at Blizzard Beach for the first time since when? Last March, is it? Because it's been closed for ages. Well, every time we've been here. Oh, we're just going to say it's absolutely empty. It is basically
empty.
I mean, the sun's not out, so you can't blame people for not coming. But
It's weird because
why? Why is it weird?
it
Why?
looks, because it's so unfamiliar since March, it looks so different. I'm used to Typhoon Lagoon and now you get in there, but this is like weird.
It's 21 degrees, there's no sun, but we don't care. We're just going to sit and chill, have a snack maybe, have something to drink, and read a book. Sounds bliss. healthy snack time.
Yeah.
That looks to be a humongous donut.
That's the only chocolate thing that they had. So don't.
Gives it here then. Gives it here. We're sharing it, yeah?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
a Simpsons donut.
I'll let you off. Thank you for going for it.
Give me money then.
You're not having a beer?
No.
It is a bit cold for a beer,
Can't
isn't it?
see what colour they're on today to see whether I need to take a jug. She's got them hidden under counter.
The sun hasn't come out yet.
Keeps trying to piss it down and all.
Yeah, it keeps trying to rain. But it's just nice to be here, chilling.
I'm relaxed.
I'm reading my Kindle. Nick's reading the Dream Guide for the Disney Cruise, which was kindly gifted to us by Adam Hatton.
I'm on page 52. I read it before I get to the
Tomorrow, we go tomorrow. So we've got a nice coffee, yeah? Joffrey's coffee.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to tomorrow. I just can't wait to get on that ship, actually. Get on that ship.
If it's going to be warm, cold here, it's going to be cold there.
Well, there's lots of food and things to partake in, though.
We were miserable yesterday with this horrible
Yeah, we
weather.
were a bit miserable. We're nice.
It was cold.
It's warm today, though. Yesterday were freezing. I needed bloody gloves. Never had that before. And oh, look at the size of this.
Right,
Ooh,
that's yours.
That'll do.
No,
Put it
you
down
can have
there.
a big one.
No, I don't want. Oh, go on then. Just reading a book in the rain on the beach.
Sunshine state my ass.
I thought there was supposed to be 6 hours of sunshine today.
Well, the weatherman needs to be shot. I'm not coming to Florida again.
Off the toilet. I'm freezing. My hands are like ice.
Mine are a bit cold after.
Oh god, you've got to laugh. Just sat here in rain.
It's supposed to be good weather today. I don't know whether it's cold and sun or warmth and rain.
I think we just need to go for some lunch and give it up as a bad
Get
job.
on that pissing cruise, bugger all and go.
Come on, where are we going to go for some lunch? Oh, I know. Should we try that Panera bread again? Panera bread.
Panera
What
bread.
is it called? Panera bread.
Panera.
Let's go there, shall we? And then we've got to go to Walmart to get us booze for the cruise.
It's near there, so.
So we'll take you around Walmart with us. Come on, let's everybody go. Let's everybody go to Walmart. Come on then. Oh, it's bloody cold now. I'll get back to a hotel room and get the bloody heater on. Right, it's time for lunch for us, so we're off to Panera Bread. And, oh, the windows are getting steamed up. Hang on a minute. There we go. We've got the heaters on full blast to get warm. This is a first for Florida. And I think I'm going to have the full bowl of, oh, that's Animal Kingdom. I think I'm going to have the full bowl of salad this time.
Well, I think I would have half and half.
Oh no.
Again.
Full bowl of salad, because I really loved that salad last time.
It was delicious.
Let us know, guys, in the comments if you've been to Panera Bread. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Yeah, what's your favourite dish? So
then we're going to go to Walmart and get us booze for as cruise.
We're thinking maybe 2 bottles of red wine and 2 bottles of Prosecco. Although I doubt we'll drink all that much, but you never know. So you might as well just take it on board with you while you, because that's all you can get. Because if not, you'll end up spending a fortune on Disney drinks. So then, well, God knows, I think we might go back to Palm and watch the new series of Picard. The first episode is out. We've been looking forward to that.
Wasn't what I had planned for today, but
Oh, bloody hell, my kingdom's full. To say it's raining, it's heaving. But, well, no, it wasn't what I had planned today either, but when it's absolutely wazzing down, there's not much you can do, is there?
nope.
Those cinnamon rolls look amazing. So do those oatmeal raisin with berry cookies. So does that kitchen sink cookie. A tea, please. Hot tea. Kitchen sink cookie looks amazing. Nick's just ordering the food. I'm having a salad. But all these things look very tempting. That brownie looks amazing with dusting almond croissant. Oof, that looks a bit sickly. So this place can be very healthy, but obviously, as usual with most places in America, they have all this pastries as well. Right, it's time for a salad. So I've gone for the huge salad this time, and just a bit of bread, which you get free with it. Nick's gone for half and half again. Half salad and half the sandwich, and you also get a bit of bread with it as well.
That's smaller than the other day though, it's a bit like a volleyball.
They must have seen that you've put a bit of poundage on since and need less.
What, and you think they've seen your skinny mini?
Let's
Your
enjoy
pigeon
this.
tits.
I do like this. Right,
I feel at home here.
In Walmart.
Well, not this one, but in this area, do you know what I mean? Because it's like, this is the Walmart that we always shop in.
Right, so we need 2 bottles of red wine and 2 bottles of Prosecco and a bottle opener. Unless we can get screw cap, which doesn't seem to be a thing in this country.
No, you can get it, but it's just like very rare.
Oh, sugar cookies, $2.97 for a big box.
No. Without it.
Right. Right, here we go. Prosecco.
Where?
Yeah.
Oh, that's dear.
What?
It's cheaper at Tesco at home.
Well, what's this stuff down here for $4.98?
That's probably they're in a Lamborghini. Where is it? Where's Prosecco?
There.
Right. Now shop by price.
Well, that is the cheapest Prosecco. Is it the right kind of bottle size?
Yeah.
What kind of bottle size can you take on the cruise?
You're limited to 750ml on the cruise.
Right, we have found screw top. $4.98.
Yep.
So 2 screw tops, and those are cork, so we don't actually have to buy a cork opener thing.
Brits abroad. Full of tips.
Yeah. I fancy something sweet. I want some M&Ms. After with my paneer bread. There we go. Oh, stuck in traffic now.
Still pissing it down. 18 degrees, everybody's in ponchos.
Ponchos and umbrellas.
I think there might be another miserable vlog.
It's just the weather though, isn't it? Oh.
4 days of this thing. We're going to Epcot tonight, even if it's wear ponchos, I don't care, we're going.
Right, we're back in hotel. My slippers are on, heater's on, and
it's unbelievable.
my M&Ms are ready.
If you do come to Florida in January, be prepared to have a couple of shit days. This is the 4th one.
This is much worse than last January though. And yes, it's a good idea to bring your slippers. I'm all cozy now, and we're going to watch Star Trek Picard. And then hopefully, once that's done, the rain will have finished.
Right, go and get it put on then.
Right, it's time for us to go out again.
We're off to Epcot to get picked up as pigeon tits.
No, we're not.
I am.
I'm not having any alcohol.
Oh God.
I'm teetotal. Until cruise.
You're a teetotal. You're teetotal when on a diet, yeah?
Just until cruise.
Tomorrow morning about 10, yeah?
Yeah.
Right.
Well, no, I'm driving, so I'm not drinking.
Should we get 9 dragons? I want that beef. Hot spicy beef.
Maybe, but it kind of put me off a bit because we ate Chinese last night.
Yeah, well, how about restaurant Marrakesh then in Epcot?
But we'll see.
Well, I think first of all, margarita at Mexico.
Wonder how long the queue is to Soaring. We ought to be on it once this holiday.
You fast pass it while I drive.
Right, here we are at Epcot Gate, and it's raining again. It's raining
just
again.
rain.
Nick told me to come out without the ponchos because it wasn't going to rain.
Whoa, I didn't say that.
Yeah, you did.
You didn't. You said, shall I take my hoodie? And I said, no. No, actually, shall I take my bag? That's all I said.
And I said, would we need the ponchos? You're like, no, it's gone for tonight. It's gone for tonight as the rain.
Heavy rain has. You'll get wet if it rains, end of.
We're being healthy and walking there, because it's only just there. There's the golf ball. We're not too far to walk.
It's a little bit too far, but
we're being healthy and walking.
It just means I can have beer when we get inside.
If you happen to have I would follow the tram when a tram was in.
So we're in what? Create 54, don't forget.
Create 54.
Where are we going? What are we doing when we go in?
We're going to head left and go to Mexico. I want a margarita, and then we'll decide what we're going to do for food.
Right, we're in, which took an absolute age, because I had one of those bag checkers that checks every single minute little thing in your bag.
Did you find your Tampax?
No, she didn't. So, we're in, finally. Let's go and get your drink, your margarita.
I need this.
Why?
4 days of miserable rain, cold. I need something to perk me up.
What am I going to have? Iced tea.
That's what you like.
Right, as you come in Epcot now, at the side of Spaceship Earth, there's this shortcut right to the land, which is quite nice. So we're just going to have a little mooch around here.
Right, so we're on our way up to the land, just to see what the crack is with the queues. And when we did our tour, this collage on the right hand side, we might have mentioned this in a vlog already, but when we did the this mosaic thing on the wall here, there's a hidden artist signature, and I'm going to show you where it is if I can find it. It is there. That is the artist's hidden signature. So, bit of fact for you there.
Right, it's only a 15-minute wait, so we're just going to walk on and wait.
Crowd volumes are really low today because of the rain.
Yeah.
Oh, disappointing. We're on row C, which means that we'll get the bent Eiffel Tower. But I'm not that bothered. It's a 15-minute walk and it's not too much problem, and at least we get to see everything else. So come on, let's ride. Can't believe this is only the second ride we've done in 3 weeks on this ride. This is usually our favourite ride. We've usually done this about 10 times by now, haven't we?
I know, but we just didn't feel it last time as much as Flight of Passage, did we?
No.
So,
but we will. Well, we weren't sure whether we'd be here tonight actually, because we didn't know whether we'd renew as annual passes. But we have anyway. So we're going to ride this. We will definitely be doing this when we come back after LA for the final week in Orlando.
Well, we'll be doing it in LA as well. It's different.
Oh yeah, California one. It's still good, isn't it, no matter where you are. This is the only part of the ride that I have to hold on, even though I know it's not real.
Not me.
I have to hold on for this. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And that's why you shouldn't ride soaring on anything other than B, because you get a bent Eiffel Tower. Still bloody brilliant. It's still bloody brilliant, isn't it?
For soaring with us.
Still don't bleep Flight Passage.
You unfasten your
Oh, I can't get at my seat.
down on the red.
Still love it. Still absolutely love it. It's still amazing. It's one of the most ingenious ideas for a ride ever, and it's what basically moulded Flight of Passage, really, isn't it?
It still makes me emotional.
Oh god, here we go. He's gonna cry.
Monorail, monorail, monorail.
You always get the camera out too.
I love the monorail. Mango Loco. Nick Scott, is it nice?
Pissed on a slush puppy. Lovely.
A what?
So you're getting pissed on a slush puppy. It's lovely.
Does it remind you of Drink the World?
Yeah.
We started
This is
here.
where we started.
Yeah. So we've got an hour to Epcot Forever, but we probably won't watch it.
I'm not watching that.
No.
You're not on this vlog.
Well, I can be, yeah.
It'd be nice if you were.
Would it? Well, no, our viewers like to see my pretty face
We haven't been on it today.
compared to yours. So,
You want to try it?
I'll have a little sip. Strong. It is nice.
It's strong now.
So
Very strong.
we're going to have a little mooch.
And then what we're doing for food?
I could eat at the Nine Dragons.
I thought you might.
Because we probably won't go back again this trip.
It is probably the cheapest place in Epcot for a sit-down table meal.
We had Chinese last night, but I know Nine Dragons is amazing, so...
The starters were nice. Lee was having a go at me today when he edited the vlog and saying, oh, we're so negative. Well,
I didn't say we're so negative, I said you're so negative.
it started off nice and it ended up crap. What do you want me to say? That it wasn't nice? That it was nice when it won?
Whatever. Let's go to Nine
Well, there you
Dragons.
go. If it's crap, I'll tell you. If it's good, I'll tell you. So there we go.
That looks nice. So we have come to Nine Dragons. Is that hot?
Ooh,
What is it?
my ass will be on fire on that boat tomorrow.
Oh, lovely. What is it?
Hot.
No, but what is it? Beef? Something
Marla
like
beef.
that. Is it really hot?
Got a 2-star. That's got a 2-star on spicy.
I need a small bit. Like that. I'm gonna
Or
try.
the red peppers. It is very nice. It's not super hot. It's a bit. It'll make you sit for a while on the toilet.
It's got a kick. It's got a kick. So I've gone for the famous honey sesame chicken.
Sorry.
I know. I did look at the only. I absolutely love this place, but I don't think they've got a great deal of selection. I was trying to get something new.
This is new.
I know, but I don't like spicy.
And keep off. But I do want to try yours
Well,
actually.
if you want to share, we'll share.
No, I don't want to share. I want to try it.
Well, you might want to share once you've tried it.
Okay, let's share.
Because tonight's performance of Epcot Forever will begin in just 10 minutes.
10 minutes for Epcot Forever. So we're going to stay and watch a little bit of it.
I'm so tired and so stuffed.
Beautiful though, wasn't it?
Nick just said that's the best Chinese restaurant he's ever eaten at.
It's the best Chinese in the world. Of all the Chineses that I've eaten across in all the world, that is always the best.
We've
And
never
it
eaten
beats on that one last night.
We've never eaten in China though, so in actual China. There might be some nice ones there.
Yeah, but this is like a snapshot of China. You've got real people from China serving real Chinese food.
Mine was beautiful.
Mine was amazing.
Doesn't compare to PF Chang. PF Chang was just not nice compared to that. So we're going to stay and watch a little bit of Epcot Forever. Maybe not all of it because we're up early tomorrow to get on the cruise. So
Don't need to get to bed early.
good night's sleep.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos.
Right, we're back at the Red Lion. Ta-da! That was a short journey back from Epcot.
Yeah, not too bad that actually.
It's our last night here tonight, and I am glad to be leaving because I've not felt it with
I
this
think it's
hotel
just been the combination of things. The weather's been shit this week,
and the location.
and the location's been a bit far, and we've got stuck in a lot of traffic. And
Horrendous traffic.
the room's a little bit sort of like business-like rather than I don't know. But there's nothing wrong with it. But
But we won't stay here again.
well, no problem.
No, we're not. We won't. Right,
So-
just hold the camera while I just
Nick's
open
going
the
to get
door.
the key out, and I'm going to finish the vlog. So tomorrow we are going, as we've said 1,000 times in this vlog, on a Disney cruise. So tomorrow is travel day, travelling from here up to Port Canaveral and getting on the Disney Dream.
So our embarkation time is 11 o'clock. However, you don't have to turn up at that time. That's just an indication to let Disney know that roughly, so they can capacity plan their staff and stuff like that at the port.
But we are going to get there early because I want to
Yeah.
explore the ship.
Mustn't forget to take the extension cable out of my suitcase because you're not allowed to take extension cables on the Disney Dream or any of the Disney cruises because it overloads their internal power. So if they find it in your luggage, they'll confiscate it.
Yeah. So there you go. Join us tomorrow for travel day up to the Disney Dream. So if you're not already a subscriber, guys, please click on the subscribe button below to become a lodger. Hit the like button, click the notification bell, drop us a comment below, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye.